Once you've had your meat, then you want a little dessert. Tell us what you got here. I'm going to roast these guys.
So this is our City Bonfire. We use food-grade, non-toxic soy wax. It's essentially a little portable fire pit in a can. It weighs less than a pound, perfect for bug-out bags, whatever you need to go. It's a bonfire in your pocket. We offer s'mores kits, perfect for that after ribs dessert there. And we do different cans. We have a 4th of July USA edition can there. We have a Mother's Day version, a Father's Day.
You're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to burn them, right?
No, you can do whatever
I'm trying to get in there.
I like them.
So this is made in America stuff. Tell us about why that's important.
So everything's made in Rockville, Maryland, where we live. We have tons of employees there, all from our town, and it's so important to keep everything here. And enjoy a little treat there.
I love it.
Yeah, it's really fun.
No, I'm a city guy. I can't do this where I live, so this would work.
Yeah, this is exactly. That's why we call it City Bonfires. It's a small portable can, and you can do it on your balcony here in the city, or in your backyard anywhere you are.
I love it, man. Hey, for more info, visit citybonfires.com and use code FOX20 for 20% off site-wide and free shipping on orders over $50. Rachel, over to you.